This is a 3D printed bearing design which Cameron has been kind enough to open source. He has used it on his 3D printed harmonic drive, linked in the description. This has been designed into my open source cycloidal gearbox with an internal brushless motor. The next generation of this will use 5 of these 3D printed bearings. The idea of putting the motor inside the actuator was also inspired by Cameron. Open source design is great and it accelerates development everywhere. I still feel that way even after all the internet trolls, online abuse, and people taking credit for my work. I have added my own little twist on the design by removing the bearing insertion holes associated with some 3D printed bearings. This is a proof of concept video. The balls are 5mm beads from my daughter's craft drawer. The principle behind the design is the spring clipping of the balls inside the cage. They do not need to stay there, but they should spin freely. Check this before assembly. Tolerance is important. Filing and sanding may be necessary. The C-shaped part aids assembly by keeping the balls at the same height as the bearing groove. Once the 20 balls have been added, the internal housing is centered and the C is removed. The balls are spaced around the circumference. The cage is placed in from the underneath and the balls are aligned with the bellies. Start by pushing the housing down on one side, clipping the balls in the cage. Gradually work it around and then you are done. It is time to find some better plastic or metal 5mm balls.